Oh god, my knee is like feeling it from all the walking that we've been doing. I'm so out of shape. It's our last day in Tokyo. Actually, not even our last day. Today we're leaving for Osaka. So this is all of our luggage. I carry all of that. Irene's and Anna's are here too, but they are taking the subway to get to Tokyo Station. We'll rendezvous there. And then at approximately 10:30 today, we'll be hopping on a JR, what is it called, a Shinkansen, which is like a bullet train here in Japan. And we're going to be taking that bullet train all the way to Osaka Station. And that's where we're going to be basing ourselves, because we are going to be spending the next, I don't know, 4 or 5 days going to Kyoto, to Nara, and possibly to Kobe. So I'm excited for that. Actually, more specifically, I'm excited for Kobe beef, or really any type of Wagyu. I wonder if I could eat it every day.
Oh my god.
Wagyu beef all day, every day.
I'm just gonna close my eyes and pretend that I'm not here. All these empty faces talking about problems, I don't care. I can't wait till sundown cause my body's aching. I just wanna dance,
goodbye.
I just wanna dance. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd feeling heartbeat. Everybody's carefree, everybody's carefree. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd feeling heartbeat. Don't you wanna party? Don't you wanna party? Staying out all night feeling like we're young, acting like tomorrow will never come, counting every moment till the weekend comes. I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance, 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 dance.
We're in Osaka. We're about to take a taxi to the hotel, but first, gotta exchange some currencies. Look at this. They have Wagyu at the restaurants. Small, tiny little restaurants here in the subway station.
Everybody's carefree. Don't you wanna party?
Oh, okay, thank you. Arigato. Let's check in. Checking in? We have 2. You excited? You excited to check in, huh? Excited? We're gonna have a executive suite. Whatever that means here in Japan.
I know, right? Watches like the same.
I know. Ooh, you wanna do afternoon tea? Yeah, that's awesome. Last time we had afternoon tea, me and Sharon, I proposed.
Okay, so this time.
You're gonna propose.
For what?
It's your turn.
Propose for what?
For something, I don't know. I proposed for a wedding.
My husband again.
Just don't make your expectations too high, because
Here's the points on that. So I gotta check
it's not like the presidential suite or anything like that.
It's east side, and we can see the JR
Wow.
station.
That's the JR station?
Yeah, that one. You can see the sky building. You made a sky building.
Oh wow. That's awesome.
Thank you.
Nice view, Mom.
Yeah. Do you want me to explain about a few things?
Yes, please.
We have a mini bar.
Okay.
You can drink 2 bottle of water
Uh-huh.
for free.
For free?
And the others are chargeable.
Okay, be careful, Irene. I know you're an alcoholic. Try not to drink all the
It's a
alcohol.
little bit expensive.
Like I said, don't expect too much. Irene's giving me a hard time for getting an executive suite. But I used up all my points, so technically it's free.
I'm giving you a hard time.
I told you lower your expectations.
So what's the point of spending the 10,000 points? The only difference is I didn't think that.
Yeah, pretty much. Ooh, look at that.
Oh, you didn't see him?
He got into the elevator. Like the door was open, like push the button, and I couldn't read it.
Whoopee! Whoopee! This is a good picture, Irene.
But it's easier for kids to catch on to languages if they associate one person with one language.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Well then, Lola, you can be the Tagalog language. I'll be English and Sharon can be broken Chinese.
She does with you.
Okay, so full body massage starting at 5:30. Okay, and how do you want one, babe, or no?
I'll just call it.
Okay, so we're trying to see if we can get. Is there a couples massage there? A couples massage too? Two people massage. Oh, they are. Okay, babe. Yeah.
Couple
There are.
Okay.
But
Okay.
can you like stop asking people what it is and look for it? Stop.
Okay.
Just look ourselves.
Here. Body. Oil.
She didn't understand what a couple was, so I said two people massage.
In the same room. In the same room.
Well, I didn't specify in the same room.
What else to do?
Married massages? Married
No.
couple massages? No.
Oh, find a restaurant. Let's look for
here.
dinner. I want Wagyu beef. I am so on the hunt for some Wagyu beef. Wagyu beef every day. You think I can do it?
I don't think you can do it. You can even do ramen every day.
Hey, that wasn't my fault. We had to eat omurice, and I had to pick one or the other. Check out the amenities too. So they have like, this is for shining your shoes, and there's a cloth for shining your shoes, and then here's your. Ooh, babe, you're gonna love these. Yeah, I know how you like your white slippers. Yeah, you can. That could be your souvenir. And then look, they have like a thing for your shoe.
That's a shoe horn.
Yeah, it's a shoe horn. Yeah, and then a brush for shining, for buffing your shoes. And then check out how fancy their iron is.
What is? How did you open it?
Look at
You
this.
opened it.
Check it out.
No.
Fancy. It's like a freaking.
So on my hand.
Look at this. I've never seen a fancier iron.
There you go.
That's crazy.
Where is the?
Okay, let's go. Where are we going?
How about you two go first and we'll go out?
Hello. How are you guys?
Going for the lounge?
Yes.
Can I have a room number, please?
2916.
Mr.
Azog. Azog.
So thank you very much. Okay, that's all.
Thank you. See, told you, Mom. You were doubting me. That's strawberry. Look at how fancy they are. Like even the sugar. Oh my god, the detail. This is like a. Yeah, this is sugar.
Or is it
Or no,
toothpicks?
toothpicks maybe. No, they're sugars.
It's toothpick, baby.
Oh yeah, it is. But the sugar too is like arranged like a flower. That's crazy, huh?
Wait, what did you guys order? You ordered alcohol? Or you just got it?
No, you just get it over there. It's free alcohol, Irene. Go for it. That's the 10,000 points I got you.
Coffee, right?
See, you're talking shit earlier. It's 10,000 points. Go ahead. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. No, you better drink it.
Oh no, I'm not staying in the executive room. So you better drink it.
But you get the perks even if you're not staying there.
That's too much.
There's a guy at the lobby upstairs or the lounge upstairs walking around just like fixing the little like sugar thingies and like moving the chairs. Like it's crazy.
Earlier I dropped the pamphlet and then like immediately pick it up.
Yeah. Anyways,
Oh, that's
customer
the- oh,
service
that's the
here,
afternoon tea.
hospitality in Osaka, top notch. Actually, specifically Western
Oh,
Osaka,
this is one of the dinner.
top notch.
Hey, it's koi fish, baby!
There's a koi fish.
Is there feeding? One that the baby is feeding?
They're feeding now.
What's the food?
You're eating it
Baby,
right
look,
now.
fishy! Let's go down there. You wanna go down there? Come on, let's go down there.
Really, you're gonna dip your? Don't drop her, okay?
You scared? Are you scared, fishy?
Babe, the rock is probably wet.
Maybe. It's not comfortable, I think. Fishy! Ooh, koi fish! It's so big! Hey, Maya, can you use the side, Maya?
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go, Maya.
Irene, don't jump.
You really like to scare me. The second time, just wait.
It's only my second time. Like
I
that's
haven't
like
done my
almost
first yet.
nothing.
I'll
Cool. Look at this building. It's huge. So, what's the point of having like a bridge with a circle? What's the point of that?
Oh, it's one of the get up there.
Where are we? We are here. Oh, these are just the buildings. Never mind. I need restaurant information.
Floor conference room can be. And then
Those are
that's the-
conferences. Man, I am on a hunt for Wagyu beef. That structure at the very top, in the middle of the two buildings, is actually it's a floating garden, and I bet it is beautiful. Umeda Sky Building was chosen as one of the top 20 buildings around the world. Ready for our massage? It's been a long Asia trip. Korea, Tokyo. now we're in Osaka. First order of business.
Massage.
Sit on the throne. Ooh, that definitely suits you. Cheers. Ready for dinner, baby? Yeah? Okay, go to Auntie Irene.
Yeah, you're gonna get carried down by me. And no fussy. No fussy.
Grilled Kobe beef. That's what I'm going for that.
So, okay.
And then if they have ramen, oof, I can have ramen and grilled Kobe beef in one meal. That's like heaven right there.
I'm like, we're recording for blood. I was like, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I got scared there, like we were gonna take the whole bottle.
You wake you banana, that's all.
You wanna try? They might charge you
Drink.
for the whole bottle.
Get a little na lang.
Ooh. Thank you.
What's this?
Sashimi.
Okay.
What's the verdict?
That's way better than the other one. You should try
Then
it.
the fish market sushi. Go, Irene. Oh, but you don't eat raw. Darn it.
Try the tuna. Sauce is good. Just by itself.
That's fresh.
Soy sauce and wasabi and lunch.
Okay.
Cool. Alright. Kobe beef. I'm excited for this. Oh, you dipped it. You shouldn't have.
Alright.
Go for it.
And this is The eel.
The
Oh wow. The flavor is so
Hey,
good.
I think you're
Thank you. Sea urchin. Actually, they kind of make it look like a sea urchin with the little thingies on the top.
Look at her face.
Oh my god.
Sour?
Do it again.